Hi folks, Lone Wolf here, welcome back to the channel. So that's it, I'm done, I'm finished. So if you want to find out more, stay tuned. So, that's it, I'm done, I'm finished, I've packed up riding, I've had enough of the bike or whatever. No, far from it. It's took me 5 months. 5 months from when I bought this in December the 21st, I think, when it got to the house. And as you know, it was second-hand, it's done about 400 miles. But from then, I knew it was a great bike. When I test rode one, I knew it was the bike for me and it suited me a lot. So what I've done is, over the 5-month period I've had it, I've worked on it. I've done my little bits, I've put bits on here, bits on there, just this. Tried some stuff that I didn't like, took them off, changed them, bits and bobs. And we got to what was 2,000 mile, and we did the 2,000 mile review. And I hope you watched that. I'll put a card up here for you to have a look at it. And I said at the end of it, it's almost a perfect bike. It was almost a perfect bike. Well, to be fair, the last 2 pieces of the Jigsaw that I think it needed have been done. We put the Pilot Road 6s on. So there we have them. Michelin Pilot Road 6s turns this bike into a Scalpel. Front and rear. And buried deep inside there is the Sonos tracker. And we've also put the Sonis or Synos tracker in on it. And that tracker's for me, for my personal benefit. It's not one of these that's going to cost you an arm and a leg. It's a cheap one, but it does the job. I know where the bike is, sends me messages if it gets pushed or bumped or whatever, so it does the job for me. So that's it. I'm finished, done. It is the best bike I've ever had. And I've had a few, you know that. I've had German bikes, Austrian bikes, Italian bikes, English bikes, Japanese bikes, Chinese bikes. But this Japanese bike is the best that I've ever owned. The engine, as you know, the K5 is super smooth. It's silk. It rides like silk. Pilot Road 6 tyres on it now makes it a Scalpel. It absolutely cuts the road like a scalpel, the bends. So sharp. And comfort wise, well, it's the right position for me. It might not be for everybody, but for me it's the right position. I'm not too far leaned forward, I'm not too far back. The handlebar risers, I've not put anything on, I'm just left it them as standard. So that's it. So all in all, it is a perfect bike. It's a bike that I love and I think looks the part. Right, it's beautiful, it's finished, it's immaculate, everything is right. In fact, you can tell how nice it is. This gentleman here, I'll just put a bit of video on for you now. He liked it so much, he pointed his gun at me, waved me in and said, pull over, let me have a look. He really liked it. Fair play to the guy, he's a biker himself and he was doing his job and I was doing my job and I weren't breaking any of the law, and he was doing his job. We both sat and in fact we had a banter for about 15-20 minutes, talking about stuff. Nice guy. So back to this. Yes, other people who disagree and say X, Y and Z and this is better, and I've had some good bikes, you know that. My K1300S I loved and I should never have sold, and I've always been a big GS fan. I've had 3, but this now at this moment in my life suits me the best, and this is going to remain in my garage probably until the days I stop riding, or at least until I can't drag it out the garage and manhandle it round on the streets, crossroads, etc. So it's the Garage King, which got to be any because it's anyone in there. I can't get anything else in there. But basically, it's a top bike. So on that note, it's a Lone Wolf saying bye for now. Don't forget, give us a tick, give us a like, subscribe, drop us a comment, because I'm sure people have got comments about this video or whatever. It might not suit everybody, but it sure as hell suits me. So it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. Lone Wolf, bye for now.